Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust an Adec by Citizen mesh bracelet. So here we have the clasp, and as you can see it also features an extra part right here that covers the bracelet at the end in order to make it more secure. So in order to do this, I'm going to use the spring bar removal tool in order to insert it right here. You can find it within the basic watchmaker toolkit. You can also use a flat screwdriver that is small enough in order for it to be inserted right here. So I'm going to insert my tool, lift it up, make sure that the flap goes all the way on the other side, and now I can easily adjust the bracelet so I can slide it up and down. After I have the correct sizing, I'm going to put this flap as it was initially. You have to push it down all the way. In case you won't be able to do this with your bare hands, you can insert the tool and then you can push it just like this in order for it to click. Make sure that it is not moving anymore, and voila, you have adjusted the mesh bracelet on your Adec by Citizen quartz watch. This is going to work for Casio watches, for Apple watches, all the watches that feature a mesh bracelet. So guys, in case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also, in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.